Which one?
I don't know.
Oh.
Gastrocnemius is that thing right there, that very big one. And we have the flexor digitorum, longest, right? Okay, you guys can go now.
Okay, and then you have the extensor digitorum longus, and then
Tibialis?
that's the two. Oh, and then the extensor digitorum is this one underneath.
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, what is this one?
That's the tibialis anterior.
Okay, that's what I.
Okay, and then
And
that
then
would make
underneath
that
is the
extensor
extensor.
digitorum longus.
And what's the next one?
The soleus would, right there.
What is this one though?
Is that the peroneum?
There you go. That's the word I didn't know.
So then where's the soleus?
Right next to that. Somewhere.
So this is the peroneus, right?
This is the peroneus.
Okay. So would soleus be the one next to it?
This one right there. This.
Soleus is in the back, right next to
Oh.
the gastrocnemius.
And
This
then
is one right here. I mistook. This is not one because one does not run all the way. Two does. See how one runs? See how this muscle right here runs underneath to the arm? That's number one. That's the band or whatever, the pectobrachialis. But the pectoralis major right here is this muscle that outlines right here that I've been transecting or dissecting, excuse me. And then it runs under and it runs up here. And then this is the pectoralis minor.
okay. That makes sense.
Yes.
I got it.
Vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, rectus femoris, and underneath is the vastus intermedialis.
Okay, and that's the quadriceps femoris.
Yeah.
Hamstring.
Sartorius gracilis.
Femoris is right there.
Yeah, that
And now we're gonna look at this semitendinosus,
which is right here.
at the bottom. And on top is the
Membranosus.
Okay.
Yes. And then that one's the longest.
Say the whole word.
Abductor longus.
Spell the first three letters.
Adductor. ADD.
You said ab.
I know, but
I heard it.
And then the ilio says, we couldn't find over there, but we got it over here.
Oh, I see it right now.
where?
I see it.
There? No, wait, what?
It's that dark red band, isn't it?
Oh, I see it.
There's a better view over here. So, like, you know, it's like right there.
Yeah, that's it too. Good. Okay. What else you got? Your gluteal muscles.
Oh, okay. Gluteus medius maxima.
Good.
Wait,
And your tensor fasciae latae.
right here.
Good.
Do we need another?
The brachioradialis. That's the pronator teres.
This one.
That is the flexor carpi radialis. The palmaris longus. And then underneath here is your flexor carpi ulnaris. Here we have the long head of the triceps brachii. Here we have the lateral head of the triceps brachii. If we dig in here, this is the medial head of the triceps brachii. So right here, this muscle is the brachialis. Oh, sorry. This is the brachioradialis. And then here we have the extensor. That was nasty. Sorry. The extensor carpi radialis, the extensor digitorum, the extensor capri ulnaris, and then
External oblique. Internal oblique. Rectus abdominis and transverse abdominis, and they all flex the.
they all tense the abdominal wall.
Trapezius group. There's three of them. Okay, now the levator scapulae ventralis. Latissimus dorsi. That big muscle right there. And deltoid group. Do you want to just skip the other stuff?
We transected it, but this that used to be here was the rhomboideus minor, this long one. And then you can't really see it, but the attachment here used to be attached over here, and that was on the corner, the rhomboideus major.
Okay.
And then when you want to tell the difference between the supra and the infra, just feel for the spine of the scapula right here. And so the top one is always supraspinatus, the bottom one is infraspinatus, and then the under one is teres major. And if you get confused, this one's just part of your rhomboideus major, but this one right here is your teres major. Teres, infra, supra.
Don't forget about subscapularis behind the scapula right there.
Stratus interior, spinatus capitis.